So K is in between a negative 26 and a 24, but the negative 26 and the negative 24 are not included. So we're talking about these integers here, all the way up, and then 23, but not 24. So negative 25 plus a negative 24 plus a negative 23 plus whatever, dot, 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 plus 0 plus 1 plus dot, 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 whatever, 21 plus 22 plus 23. Now look what happens. You see how, of course, there's a negative 1 right there. You see how the negative 1, when you add a negative 1 and 1, they'll cancel, and a negative 2 and a 2 will cancel. And this negative 23 will cancel with that positive 23. Then you have a negative 22 here and a negative 21. They're going to cancel. Only ones you're going to have left are going to be those. That's a negative 49. That's the sum of all the integers from negative 25 up to negative 23.